Hey guys, we're going to read There's a Bird on Your Head, Mo Willems. There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Piggy? Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. I don't want two birds on my head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. They are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? And making a nest. Two birds making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I don't want 3 eggs on my head, then I have good babies. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They are hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. What do you want? Somewhere else! Why do you ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, but will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Have you read all of them? It's Funny Adventures. Today I will fly. My friend is sad. I am invited to a party. There is a bird on your head. I love my new toy. I will surprise my friend. Are you ready to play outside? Watch me throw the ball. Elephants cannot dance. Pigs make sneeze. I am going. Can I play too? We are in the book. I broke my truck. Should I share my ice cream? Happy Pig Day. This is my trumpet. Let's go from John. The big guy took my ball on the song. I find it so fun. Reading is not